Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you how I made these empanadas, and this is how they look like. You can use your Goya flour already made and just fry them up. If you guys are ready, then let's get started. So today we are going to make some empanadas, and I'm using this brand. This is a Goya empanada. It's already made, and there's about 10 pieces of that. I'm using some red pepper. This is about half of a pepper. We have some potato. This is a whole potato. This is a russet potato. Some Cajun seasoning, garlic and herb seasoning, cumin seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika. This is optional. This is chimichurri seasoning. This is optional, guys. Some Old Bay seasoning, this is my favorite, and some basic onions, and 1 pound of ground pork. You can use any meat that you want, and I'm gonna go ahead and add 1 egg. Add in cornstarch. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. We are going to go ahead and mix all this together like that. And now we're done. We are going to get ready to cook everything together. So guys, I am using sesame oil, and I'm just drizzling. This is about maybe a half tablespoon of sesame oil, and we want to go ahead and cook this on medium high. And I'm gonna go ahead and just add all the stuff in there. For this part, you want to continue stirring in the meat until it gets cooking. So over here, we're gonna continue cooking until our meat is all done. Stop cooking this for 7 to 10 minutes. We are going to go ahead and add our potatoes. And I'm gonna add in some peppers, as well as in some onions. So we are going to go ahead and start seasoning our potatoes, vegetables, and meat together. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. So we added 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. And we are going to go ahead and mix. 1 teaspoon of chimichurri seasoning, 1 teaspoon of salt-free garlic and herb, and that's it. And we are going to continue mixing. So I'm going to go ahead and add in about almost ½ teaspoon of salt for taste. I don't like salt, but I needed just a little bit. I try to use my seasoning as salt. I'm just going to let this steam for a little bit, because we need our potatoes to be a little ready. So the last part over here is to add about almost 5 ounces of water with 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, and make a stir. You just want to make that slurry, a little moisture in there. And that's it. We're ready to make our empanadas, guys. I'm so excited to use them, guys. And this is how they come. So I'm going to use a scooper so I can have the same amount of meat. This is about 3 ounces of meat, and maybe that's too much. You want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to add some flour so it doesn't stick. And then you just do that, and that. So you want to use your fork to make that empanada pattern. And that's how it looks like, guys. I'm gonna do one more and then the rest is gonna be off camera, guys. So here goes another one. About the same amount. I'm gonna try to put it in the middle. Spread it up a little bit and do that. You guys can see. So, and then I'm gonna close it up like that. I think this is the best because honestly, I don't know how to make empanada flour and I love empanadas. So I think this is the best way of having empanadas. Whoever came up with this is a genius. So that's how it looks like. And we're gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera and we'll be right back. So guys, this is what was left over. I think half. So if I probably, maybe this will make about 25 empanadas altogether. So yeah. So these are the empanadas. They're already done. This is how they look like. So this is the oil and it's mixed with old oil, new oil plus old oil. And I'm gonna go ahead and start frying it. And we are heating it at 350 Fahrenheit. We are going to go ahead and put that in there like that. The oil is ready. It's gonna be 2 empanadas at a time. So I think I like this color. So that's how it looks like. And I'm going to continue the rest of camera. So this is how the empanada look like. I'm so excited to share this video with you guys. Let's find out how they look inside. So guys, this is how it looks like inside. We are going to go ahead and try it. So these are so yummy, guys. So guys, thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, for commenting. I'll see you next time when I make something new. Bye.